James Gibbs coming to you live from Palm Harbor, Bryan, Texas. 775-7558, 979-775-7558. Always ask for James. Now, you can see in the vintage farmhouse, if you remember, if anybody looks at the ad I posted yesterday with over 80 homes with up to $25,000 in savings, this is one of the homes that's on that list, kind of give you an idea of what we're talking about here. This home right here is almost 2,000 square feet. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. You got room, okay, for a California king in the master bedroom. You got the beautiful barn door. That's been a huge plus for us. You have the closet with the built-in cabinets, dual racks for clothes. Look at this right here. We have a hand-laid tile shower. Now, what you can't see up here in this shower over here is that is 7 foot tall. That means you guys that are 6 foot, 6'3", you no more kneeling down to get in the shower. It's a huge walk-in shower, as you can see here. There's not even a door to it. Ladies, you got the vanity over here. On this side, look at those lighted mirrors. That is just, I love this feature. Now, guys, we've got the double sinks over here, more cabinet space here. Then, of course, you got your own private room here for the toiletry. And here we go straight into the mudroom. Guys, look at that mudroom, okay? Mudroom that goes straight, as you can see, into the kitchen. Okay, back door. Look at this, guys. You got these big bay, beautiful windows. You got that beautiful farm sink over there. We got the beautiful backsplash. Man, this thing right here, just everything to make this house pop, including stuff like a big pantry. Okay, so plenty of room there to get everything you need. Now, one of the cool little features we, of course, plug into this home, look at this right here, guys. We got a little pop-up here, and what that does, of course, as you can see, goes straight down like that there. So if I can get this camera right, sorry about that. Pops up, and got a place for a USB, plug in your phones. Guys, you're not gonna get a better deal from anywhere than you will Palm Harbor and Bryan on this home. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2,000 square feet with over $25,000 in savings. This home actually even has a metal roof on it, which is going to save you in insurance as well. Guys, call James today, okay? Come see what all the fuss is about with this new vintage farmhouse from our Austin factory. Got to see it to believe it, guys. 775-7558, 979-775-7558. Ask for James Gibbs. Let me show you how home ownership is just 10 minutes away. Guys, come on in. Come on in, come see me. Let's get you into your new home today. Stop paying rent. Thank you and God bless.